Just going to be taking you through how I go about pruning my clematis when they finish flowering. These are some early flowering ones, and these flower on last year's growth. So, as you can see here, I normally take them back. I can take them back a lot further, really, which happened in previous years. But then, because of the hedge here, they don't seem to get enough light. So, because I want it flowering here, I will start pruning it back. Probably. See here, I've taken it back last year to just above a leaf node, a bud. That's what you always want to do. You always want to cut back to something. You don't want to like cut it in the middle of the stem. So here, I'll just take you through what I'll be using. I've just got these new little dead headers, little flowers, and these should be plenty for cutting this. I'll just show you. Yeah, nice and clean and cuts through great. So I'll just set the camera up and just show you what I'll be doing. 2 seconds. Yeah, if you want to get flowers all the way up, you can trace each stem back, and you can start with one at the bottom. You can have that like 18 inches, and then next one 2 feet, and then 2.5 feet if you've got plenty of stems. But I get away with just being able to cut it right back. So I shall just go in here and cut above a leaf node. There and there. Like so. Once this is done, you need to pull all the old growth out. And then you can start afresh. So you don't want it going through the old growth. Yeah, like I said, let's go back to the leaf node, it's great. Yeah, I've got plenty of new shoots will be coming here. Not everything is really satisfying doing this. I really enjoy doing it. That's all them done, I think. That one there, that one's an older shoot. Look at the wire. Pull out that one there. You can tell, you see, that's everything cut back there. So as you can see, what I'm left with is this here. All these, as you can see, just look at the leaf node there. All these will send out new buds, new shoots from there and there. And all I need to do then is just pull all this away, and then I'm great. I'll have another set of beautiful flowers next year. And if they do flower later on in the year, you prune them in February, I think. All I know with these ones, this is when I prune it. Flowers early, so I prune this time of year, and then I get all new growth, which it flowers on. It always flowers on next year's growth. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you very much. Bye.